Shut up and sit down.
Write a letter to Municipal Corporation of your city complaining about the miserable condition of roads in your locality. 33 Lajpat Nagar, New Delhi. Dated 10 June 2021. To the Commissioner, Municipal Corporation of Delhi. Delhi. Subject: Miserable condition of roads. Respected Sir or Madam, I would like to bring to your kind notice the miserable condition of roads in my locality, Lajpat Nagar, near Sabji Mandi, Delhi. The roads are broken in many places. As a result, vehicles cannot move smoothly. The buses, trucks, cars, three-wheelers have to halt after every 5 to 6 seconds just to adjust with the road, brakes and pits. It has been repeatedly brought to the notice of PWD, but all in vain. There is always a traffic problem on the roads. The first showers of the monsoon will put things in their worst shape. The residents are in deep distress on this account, and they have repeatedly expressed their resentment through the press as well as through written complaints, but nothing has been so far been done. People had also staged a demonstration last month, and the authorities assured them of necessary action in matter, but so far all the assurances have remained mere assurance. I request you to get the roads repaired and constructed without any further delay, lest the anger of the public should explode. Thanking you, yours sincerely, Raghunath Jaiswal.